In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful. O you enwrapped one! Stay up during the night, except a little. For half of it, or reduce it a little. Or add to it, and chant the Quran rhythmically. We are about to give you a heavy message. The vigil of night is more effective, and better suited for recitation. In the daytime, you have lengthy work to do. So remember the name of your Lord, and devote yourself to Him wholeheartedly. Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but He, so take Him as a trustee. And endure patiently what they say, and withdraw from them politely. And leave me to those who deny the truth, those of luxury, and give them a brief respite. With us are shackles, and a fierce fire, and food that chokes, and a painful punishment. On the day when the earth and the mountains tremble, and the mountains become heaps of sand, we have sent to you a messenger, a witness over you, as we sent to Pharaoh a messenger. But Pharaoh defied the messenger, so we seized him with a terrible seizing. So how will you, if you persist in unbelief, save yourself from a day which will turn the children grey-haired? The heaven will shatter thereby. His promise is always fulfilled. This is a reminder. So whoever wills, let him take a path to his Lord. Your Lord knows that you stay up nearly 2/3 of the night, or half of it, or 1/3 of it, along with a group of those with you. Allah designed the night and the day. He knows that you are unable to sustain it, so He has pardoned you. So read of the Quran what is possible for you. He knows that some of you may be ill, and others traveling through the land, seeking Allah's bounty, and others fighting in Allah's cause. So read of it what is possible for you, and observe the prayers, and give regular charity, and lend Allah a generous loan. Whatever good you advance for yourselves, you will find it with Allah, better and generously rewarded. And seek Allah's forgiveness, for Allah is forgiving and merciful.